Welcome back to Social Science class. Shall we continue the topic Indus Civilization? In the previous class, we have learned two planned areas of Harappa, features of Harappan civilization, streets and houses, drainage system, and the Great Bath. Now we are going to learn about the Great Granary, the Assembly Hall, trade and transport, and technology. What is the meaning of granary? It is a place for storing the food grains. The granary was a massive building with a solid brick foundation. Granaries were used to store food grain. Already we know about the remains of wheat, barley, millets, sesame, and pulses have been found there. Now, what's the meaning of sesame? Sesame means the edible seeds of the sesame plant which are used whole or have the oil extracted. The granary with walls made up of mud bricks which are still in a good condition has been discovered in Ragi Gargi, a village in Haryana belonging to mature Harappan phase. Now we are going to see about the Assembly Hall. What's the meaning of Assembly Hall? Assembly Hall is a kind of function hall. It's a lodge used to hold public meeting or meeting of the members of an organization such as school, church or deliberative assembly. The Assembly Hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillared hall, 20 pillars in 4 rows to support the roof. It looked like the present Thirumalai Nayakar Mahal, which is located in Madurai. Next we are going to see about trade and transport. What's the meaning of trade? Trade means the transfer of goods or service from one place to another or from one person to another. What's the meaning of transport? Take or carry people or goods from one place another by means of a vehicle, aircraft or ship. Harappans were great traders. Standardized weights and measures were used by them. They used sticks with marks to measure length. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels. There is evidence for extensive maritime trade with Mesopotamia. Indus seals have been found as far as Mesopotamia, which are modern day Iraq, Kuwait and parts of the Syria. King Naram-Sin of Akkadian Empire has written about buying jewelry from the land of Melukkar, a region of the Indus Valley. Cylindrical seals similar to those found in Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia have also been found in the Indus area. This shows the trade links between these two areas. A naval dockyard has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activities of the Indus people. What's the meaning of dockyard? Dockyard means place where ships are loaded and unloaded. Dockyard at Lothal. What's the meaning of Lothal? Lothal means important cities of Harappan civilization. Lothal is situated on the banks of a tributary of Sabarmati river in Gujarat. Next we are going to see about leader in Mohenjo-daro. A sculpture of a seated male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead and a smaller ornament on the right upper arm. His hair is carefully combed and beard finely trimmed. Two holes beneath the ears suggest that the head ornament might have been attached till the ear. The left shoulder is covered with a shawl-like garment decorated with designs of flowers and rings. This shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Next, we are going to see about technology. Indus people had developed a system of standardized weights and measures. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat is 1704 millimeter, the smallest divisions ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilization. The word civilization comes from the ancient Latin word civix, which means city. This little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro. When Sir John Marshall saw the statuette, known as the Dancing Girl, he said, "When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric modeling, such as this was known in the ancient worlds up to the age of Greece. I thought that this figure had found their way into levels some 300 years old, to which they probably belonged." Now I believe that you can understand this part now. Okay, dear children, we can see rest of this lesson in the next part. Thank you, dear children. Learn well, do well.